Gochain is one of those unimaginably inventive tokens that have a strong specialized establishment and a decent rundown of organizations yet haven't figured out how to make a leap forward yet. As a more modest token, it doesn't have a decent positioning spot in the market cap-based evaluations, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It remains someplace in the 500-700 territory. Many coins and tokens with a comparative position have a market capitalization that isn't not quite the same as their neighbors. That is the reason their spots in the positioning can vacillate fiercely in one day or less. Notwithstanding that, Gochain can in any case be an advantageous venture for specific financial backers. As a more modest token, Go is a moderately hazardous decision, however it likewise has high benefit potential. In this video, we will endeavor to make a Gochain cost gauge for 2022 to 2030, yet kindly recall that no one but you can conclude whether a resource will be ideal for your portfolio or not. Gochain, or Gochain, as it is additionally some of the time spelled, is one of the greenest and quickest digital forms of money on the planet. Furthermore, it is additionally viewed as among the most practical tokens. Its exchanges really depend on multiple times less expensive than those of the most well-known advanced monetary forms like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The typical exchange affirmation time for Go is 3 - 5 seconds. The Go symbolic powers the Gochain organization, which uses one of the most creative agreement calculations on the planet, specifically verification of notoriety. This clever calculation utilizes a standing-based framework for keeping up with the well-being and security of the blockchain framework. As per its makers, one of the most serious dangers of distributed networks is the capacity of hubs to travel every which way freely. In this way, Por just permits the hubs with the most elevated standing qualities to join the agreement bunch that can pursue the choices relating to the condition of the blockchain. On February 23, 2022, the Gochain network presented marking. Half of all Go rewards currently go to the stakers. To purchase the Gochain digital currency, first, you should get a crypto wallet that upholds it. A portion of the equipment and hot wallets that help it are MetaMask, Record, Trezor, Mu, and others. You can see the full rundown on the Gochain site. Gochain specialized examination. The Gochain digital currency has a few things backing it up, yet there are likewise a couple of elements that appear to be highlighting Go having a fairly difficult time sooner rather than later. As a matter of some importance, its true Reddit people group is everything except dead. In every one of the new posts, there are simply individuals asking for one Go to have the option to move their OMI tokens. Furthermore, clients from the US are right now experiencing issues getting Go. Moreover, an unmistakable task that utilized the Gochain organization, the VEVE Commercial Center and its token OMI, has as of late moved to the Ethereum blockchain. Then again, Gochain stays a profoundly compelling and eco-accommodating blockchain stage. It additionally has its own NFT commercial center, Zeromint. Gochain's cost and the eventual fate of the task will to a great extent rely heavily on the number of organizations that its group will figure out how to lay out soon. There's an immense chance that the current unsteadiness might carry a great deal of new financial backers to the market, and it will ultimately depend on Go's group to sort out ways of drawing in them to this task. The task's eco-kind disposition doubtlessly is a tremendous benefit, as should be visible from the graph. Gochain's cost follows the remainder of the cryptographic money market. Thusly, it is probably going to ascend close by other digital forms of money later on, as well. As of the finish of February 2022, most specialists are bullish on Gochain and anticipate that the Go cost should go up sooner rather than later. Most Gochain cost forecasts right now are positive and anticipate essentially a 40% development in 1 year. Gochain value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Gochain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Gochain will be $0. The most extreme level that the Go cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Go value gauge for October 2022. In light of the value variances of Gochain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of $0 October 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. November 2022, Gochain value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their figure at the Go cost in November 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around $0. Go value estimate for December 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Gochain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Go rate they foresee may be around $0 December 2022. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0. Gochain value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Gochain in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Gochain will be around 1 cent. The greatest expected Go cost might be around 1 cent. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 1 cent in 2023. Gochain Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Gochain, in 2024, Go is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 1 cent and 1 cent, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 1 cent. Gochain Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Gochain and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Go cost could drop to 2 cents, while its greatest can reach 2 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 2 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Gochain by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Go costs are normal in 2026. 3 cents and 3 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 3 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Gochain. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Go cost will be around 4 cents. It could drop to at least 4 cents, yet it actually could reach 5 cents all through 2027. Gochain Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan estimates at the cost of Gochain. It is assessed that Go will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 6 cents and 7 cents in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 6 cents during the year. Gochain Value Expectation 2029. Digital money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Gochain's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the most extreme Go cost of 11 cents. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around 9 cents. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is 9 cents. Gochain Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Gochain cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Go expense assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like 12 cents, with the conceivable greatest tops at 15 cents. By and large, you can anticipate that the Go cost should be around 12 cents in 2030. Gochain Value Expectation 2031. Digital money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Gochain's cost. The year 2031 still up in the air by the greatest Go cost of 22 cents. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around 19 cents. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is 19 cents. If Go endures everyday hardship and figures out how to remain above water in the midst of unbelievably close rivalry and unavoidable unofficial laws, then we will probably see its typical value proceeding to rise. For the present, our speculative Gochain cost expectation for 2030 will be a normal of 7 cents per token. Obviously, there will likewise be drops and cost spikes. In the event that you're wanting to put resources into this token, we suggest practicing alert and doing your best not to go with unreasonable choices because of market publicity and FOMO. Is Gochain a wise venture? It is difficult to foresee regardless of whether Gochain will be a productive venture. A ton relies upon when you get it or sell it, etc. Most cryptographic form